Oh, finally. Oh, my goodness. Oh, whoa. Oh, that's almost a record for me. I think the ICS is the other one that matches that. Oh, hey kids, don't give up. Oh. Alright, got a little hand cramping. That's alright. I think this is an Assa Twin 6000. Whew. And there it is. There. Oops, let me allow the autofocus back. Careful with those victory lamps. We've seen what happens before. Alright. Stoked. Okay, so the easiest way to do this, let's see if I can do this without anything terrible happening, because I've been picking for an hour. Well, it's after the practice, right? So this particular pick was an hour. It's so annoying because really the barrels are what usually give me the trouble. And here I was picking this thing, pick, and I had the sidebar down. It was going pretty easy, just took a couple of minutes. And then I get these barrels picked, and that wasn't too bad. And then I can't deal with the stupid sidebar. Unbelievable. But I got it done. And we got the 1,000 green M&Ms, and Ozzy went on stage. Alright. What an adventure. I might speed this one up a little bit, just because that's a long video to watch. Nobody's going to watch that video. Alright. Tonight I decided I was finally gonna fight this guy. It's been sort of sitting in my pile of locks, taunting me. Like, ooh, you're afraid of me. And you were right to be, because it almost whipped me. It thought it was gonna win. It was the thing that caught me at the very end was these two maximum, I think they're maximum height sliders. And let's see, alright. Here's the pin cap. I don't know where you're going. I guess over here. And then sidebar. Oops. Let's take a look at that. Of course, with the Assa Twin 6000, the bitting is on the sidebar and not on the pins themselves. Let's check out that counterweighing real quick. Oh yeah, I don't know if that's coming through. Victory, I tell you. Alright, why don't I don't know what. I'll just put these guys on top here. Whoop. You came with your spring. These false gates are not easy to deal with, at least for me. I'm sure there's folks out there who just think they're a joke, but tell you what, this here is a challenging lock to pick, and I am very happy to have finally gotten around to fighting it. Started progressively pinning it a few hours ago. Started with just 3 sliders. Come on. It's gonna be like that. Dear finger pin. So I've never had this one out. Maybe this one's stuck. What are you doing? That guy's jammed in there for some reason. Alright. So we got the countermilling. Sidebar groove. The holes for the sliders. Nothing interesting there. There you can see the bitting. A lot of high stuff, then some low stuff, and then these two sneaky, very high set sliders in the back. And then these. Let me get some shadows out of the way. Evil Assa Twin spools, which I have a really hard time with. And here are the finger pins with their pretty bitey false gates. Not the bitiest false gates ever, but they're bitey enough. And again, here's the sidebar where you see the bidding on that one. Bidding code E512. Whew, anyway, there it is. Assa Twin 6000.